If you're experiencing low performance in Overwatch 2, there are several steps you can take to improve your gaming experience. Follow this easy guide to optimize your performance. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for Overwatch 2. This includes checking your CPU, GPU, RAM, and operating system to confirm they are sufficient for running the game smoothly. Step 2. Update graphics drivers. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel and download the latest drivers. Keeping your graphics drivers up to date can significantly enhance performance and fix any bugs that may be causing issues. Step 3. Adjust in-game settings. Launch Overwatch 2 and navigate to the settings menu. Lower the graphics settings such as texture quality, shadow quality, and resolution. This can help improve frame rates and overall performance during gameplay. Step 4. Close background applications. Before starting the game, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. Programs like web browsers, streaming services, or other games can consume valuable system resources, leading to low performance in Overwatch 2. Step 5. Optimize network connection. For better online performance, ensure you have a stable internet connection. Use a wired connection if possible, and consider resetting your router. Additionally, close any bandwidth-heavy applications that may be running while you play. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your Overwatch 2 performance. Enjoy your gaming experience.